Have you ever paused to ponder the profound significance of Shivratri? Have you ever wondered why millions of people around the globe observe this auspicious occasion with such reverence and devotion? Shivratri, a festival celebrated with immense fervor by Hindus worldwide, holds a deep-rooted significance. It's not just a day, it's a phenomenon, a spiritual awakening that transcends the mundane. Today, we delve into the importance and significance of Shivratri, unraveling its mysteries and exploring its profound impact on the lives of countless individuals. Shivratri, literally meaning the great night of Shiva, is a festival that honors Lord Shiva, one of the principal deities in Hinduism. It is observed on the moonless 14th night of the new moon in the Hindu month of Falgun, which falls in February or March as per the Gregorian calendar. The significance of Shivratri is multi-dimensional. It's a convergence of mythology, spirituality, and social harmony. Mythologically, it is believed that Shivratri is the night when Lord Shiva performed the Tandava, the dance of primordial creation, preservation, and destruction. It's the night when Shiva manifests his most profound form, the formless, limitless, timeless, and spaceless. Spiritually, Shivratri is a night of awakening. It represents the opportunity to transcend our limitations and merge with the divine. Observing a night-long vigil, fasting and offering prayers to Shiva symbolize the human struggle to overcome darkness and ignorance. It's a journey from the physical to the metaphysical, from the temporal to the eternal. Socially, Shivratri is a festival of unity. It brings together people from all walks of life irrespective of their caste, creed or social status. It's a celebration of the universal spirit of togetherness, reinforcing the fundamental truth of our shared existence. To encapsulate, Shivratri is not just a festival, it's a cosmic event that signifies the cyclical nature of creation and destruction. It's a spiritual journey that propels us towards self-realization. It's a social celebration that binds us together in a shared sense of community and belonging. As we explored today, the significance of Shivratri is immense. It's a celebration of Lord Shiva, a symbol of the eternal cycle of creation and destruction. It's a spiritual journey, a quest for self-realization and transcendence. It's a social event, a testament to the unity and diversity of humanity. So the next time you witness the fervor of Shivratri, remember, it's not just a festival, it's a phenomenon that encapsulates the essence of existence, the dance of the cosmos, and the unity of life. It's a night that reminds us of our potential to transcend, to evolve, and to unite. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding. We hope that this exploration of Shivratri has shed light on its profound significance and inspired you to delve deeper into its spiritual essence. Until next time, continue to explore, learn, and grow.
Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your day? Look no further than ghee coffee. Here are 5 surprising benefits of incorporating this traditional drink into your morning routine. Ghee coffee combines the energizing effects of caffeine with the brain-boosting properties of ghee, providing you with sustained energy and mental clarity throughout the day. Contrary to popular belief, ghee coffee can actually support weight management. The healthy fats in ghee help keep you full and satisfied, reducing cravings and promoting a healthy metabolism. The combination of ghee and coffee can help promote healthy digestion. Ghee is known for its digestive properties, while coffee can stimulate bowel movements, making this drink a great choice for gut health. Believe it or not, ghee coffee can actually support heart health. Ghee contains healthy fats that can help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular function, making it a heart-healthy choice. Last but not least, ghee coffee can help enhance your skin health. The healthy fats in ghee can nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. So why not swap your regular coffee for a cup of ghee coffee and enjoy all these amazing benefits? Try it out and feel the difference for yourself.